Hello and welcome to TNB Academy. In today's session, we are going to explore a vital and often misunderstood concept in the world of anti-bribery management: risk-based thinking in ISO 37003 implementation. This is a comprehensive masterclass, and by the end of this video, you will not only understand what risk-based thinking means in the context of ISO 37003, but also how to practically apply it when implementing an anti-bribery management system, ABMS. So let's get started. Introduction to ISO 37003. What is ISO 37003? ISO 37003-2021 is a guidance document for implementing an anti-bribery management system, that is ABMS, based on ISO 37001. It does not contain new requirements but offers practical advice on how to implement ISO 37001 requirements effectively. Purpose of ISO 37003. Its main goal is to support organizations in identifying, assessing, and mitigating bribery risk through structured systems, procedures, and cultural changes. Risk-based thinking lies at the heart of this purpose. What is risk-based thinking? Risk-based thinking means proactively identifying potential risk and taking the steps to prevent negative outcomes before they happen. It is a preventive approach instead of a reactive one. Why it matters? In the context of anti-bribery, failing to anticipate risk can lead to major reputational, legal, and financial consequences. Risk-based thinking empowers organizations to act wisely before it's too late. Core principles of risk-based thinking in ISO 37003. Integration with processes. Risk-based thinking must be embedded in every process, from recruitment and procurement to marketing and operations. Prevention over detection. While detection is important, prevention is more effective and less costly. ISO 37003 emphasizes using risk assessment as the first line of defense. Data-driven decisions. Risk evaluation should rely on objective data, historical patterns, and contextual information rather than speculation or assumption. Foundation of risk management in ISO 37003. Link to ISO 37001, ISO 37003 aligns with the risk management principles found in ISO 31000, including risk identification, risk analysis, risk evaluation, risk treatment, risk monitoring. Role of context. Understanding the internal and external context is the starting point of risk-based thinking. Economical environment, legal frameworks, and industry practices all influence bribery risk. Identifying bribery risk. Common bribery risk: kickbacks in procurement, bribes to secure contracts, improper charitable contributions, political donations to influence regulations, third-party intermediaries offering illicit incentives. Risk sources: high-risk regions or countries, sectors with limited transparency, complex supply chains. Poor internal controls, lack of staff awareness. Risk assessment techniques: qualitative and quantitative methods. ISO 37003 recommends qualitative risk assessment using likelihood and impact matrices. Quantitative models where possible, especially in large organizations. Tools to use: heat maps, risk registers, risk scoring systems, compliance analytics platforms. Risk-based thinking in policy development. Creating risk-responsive policies. Policies must reflect actual risk, not just theoretical ones. For example, if operating in a high-risk region, the anti-bribery policy must include detailed third-party vetting, political donation controls, emergency response protocols, customization, avoid generic policies. Risk-based thinking requires tailoring policies to the organization's size, nature, and operating environment. Integration into core business processes. Procurement. Use risk-based thinking to vet suppliers, establish payment controls, audit procurement cycles, Human resources use risk assessment to screen candidates in high-risk roles more rigorously. Monitor performance indicators for ethical behavior. Risk-based training and awareness. Targeted training. Not all employees face the same risk. Training should be risk-based, focusing more on roles like sales, procurement, legal, senior management. Scenario-based learning. Use real-world bribery scenarios during training to trigger critical thinking and ethical judgment. Monitoring and evaluation of risk. Dynamic risk registers. Maintain up-to-date risk registers and review them periodically or after any major business change. KPIs and metrics. Develop key performance indicators that track risk mitigation efforts. Number of whistleblower reports, frequency of risk assessments, percentage of third parties vetted. Internal controls based on risk. Proportional controls. Risk-based thinking helps in deciding where to apply strict controls, for example, overseas procurement. Where to use lighter controls, example, local office suppliers. Types of controls, approval workflows, segregation of duties, expense tracking systems, real-time alert mechanisms. Third-party risk management. Focus on high-risk intermediaries. Third-party agents are often involved in bribery cases. Use risk-based thinking to conduct enhanced due diligence. Apply contractual clauses, monitor their performance, document everything. All third-party evaluations and agreements should be well documented and auditable. Continuous risk monitoring. Adaptive risk management. Risk evolve. Use quarterly reviews, audit results, market intelligence to update your risk assessments. Early warning systems. Deploy monitoring tools to flag early signs of corruption risk, such as abnormal transactions or vendor behaviors. Incident handling and risk response. Reporting mechanisms. Develop clear channels for whistleblowing, anonymized tips, incident investigation, response, planning based on risk severity. Establish escalation protocols, corrective actions, and preventive strategies for the future. Documentation and audit trail. Traceable records. Maintain risk logs, assessment methodologies, meeting minutes, decision records. Audit readiness. When audit teams assess your ABMS, they will check how risk-based thinking was applied and documented. Leadership and risk culture. Tone at the top. Leadership must demonstrate commitment to risk-based thinking by participating in assessments, addressing risk openly, holding teams accountable. Building risk-aware culture. Promote an environment where speaking about risk is encouraged and employees feel empowered to act ethically. Future of risk-based thinking and anti-bribery. Digital integration. Future systems will use AI and machine learning to predict risks before they manifest. Be ready to evolve from static to predictive. Move beyond a static checklist. Embrace predictive analytics and dynamic modeling to stay ahead. Risk-based thinking is the backbone of ISO 37003 implementation. It promotes prevention, not just detection. Applied correctly, it enhances integrity, trust, and compliance. Every employee must be involved, especially those in high-risk functions. Risk-based thinking is a living process, not a one-time task. Thank you for watching this deep dive training on risk-based thinking in ISO 37003 implementation here at TNV Academy. We hope this session helps you implement or improve your anti-bribery management system through practical and proactive risk-based approaches. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your network. Got questions or need specific examples for your industry? Drop them in the comments below and we will be happy to help. Until next time, stay ethical, stay compliant, and I will see you in the next session of TNV Academy.